In this AI Socibot review, I'm going to be showing you a ChatGPT powered software that's going to allow you to automate your social media accounts by creating and posting trending viral content like videos, images, reels, and more with Siri-like voice commands in 60 seconds. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI Socibot, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says revolutionary ChatGPT 4 OpenAI powered app, automate social media accounts like Reddit and Tumblr and Pinterest and all these other ones by creating and posting trending viral content such as videos, images, reels, and more with Siri-like voice commands in less than 60 seconds. And they say it drives tens of thousands of targeted views, blah, blah, blah. But here's the thing. Okay, so what it does, it's a content creating software. I just want you to make sure that you guys know that like some of these things here, like Robert J, like I think these are created by AI, just so you know. They say three clicks. Step 1, you create your content. Step 2, you post it. And then they say step 3, profit. Of course, it's going to depend upon what you're promoting and what you're doing. But what the software does is it creates the content for you using AI. So just be aware of that. That's what it actually does here. Now, they show some income proof and stuff, but I mean, I don't know if they actually got this using the actual software. So just be aware of that. And like these screenshots, we're unleashing it just by embedding our affiliate links and we're making money like this. I highly doubt that this was made simply by using the software. This is by doing other things as well. So just be aware of that. These income proof screenshots, like I've seen those over and over and over again. Don't purchase it based upon that. Purchase it based upon the fact that you want a software that actually does what this software does. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom. You can see if you purchase, you get access to all these different things here, and it's a very low one-time price. However, I do want to show you that most likely if you move your mouse away on the sales page, here we go, a discount code will pop up. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hey there, stop. And imagine if in just minutes from now, you could get access to a brand new fully ChatGPT 4 OpenAI powered app that automates all your social media accounts by creating and posting AI-generated trending viral content such as videos, images, reels, and so much more in less than 60 seconds with Siri-like voice commands. That drives thousands of targeted views, traffic, and sales with a massive following on complete autopilot. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, with the rapid advancement and growth in technology, people are glued to their social media accounts, scrolling through feeds, reading posts, watching viral video reels, and buying products like there's no tomorrow. Hence, there's no doubt why the social media industry has taken over the world, and it's booming like never before. And to your surprise, Facebook has monstrous 2.96 billion monthly active users, while Instagram has a staggering 2.35 billion monthly users. And let's not forget TikTok with over 1 billion active monthly users, and YouTube with a massive 2.6 billion active monthly users. Therefore, it's very clear that these platforms are dominating the online world and show no signs of slowing down. And seeing this massive profit potential and limitless possibilities of the social media industry, we've developed a revolutionary app that combines the power of ChatGPT 4 with social media and lets you print money on complete autopilot without doing anything. Finally, this revolutionary AI-driven app harnesses the power of ChatGPT 4 to create and post highly engaging, trending viral content such as videos, images, reels, and all that keeps your social media accounts engaged and drives massive followers. Fully automate your social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, and all, and put them on complete autopilot. With just one click, now you can auto-post or schedule high-converting social media posts across all your accounts at once. Engage with your audience in real time with built-in live streaming feature. Create and post trending Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos in any niche while driving massive views and traffic like never before. Design attention-grabbing AI graphics, visuals, art, and images for your social media posts in just one click. Craft high-converting social media marketing materials such as creative blog posts and ad copies like Facebook ads, Google ads, and so much more. And the best part is, you can get all this done just by using built-in Siri-like voice commands. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of managing multiple social media accounts separately. Say goodbye to the struggles of creating viral and engaging posts. Say goodbye to expensive content writers and video editors. Say goodbye to expensive graphics, art, and image designers. And finally, say goodbye to all your existing expensive tools and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the power of this paradigm-shifting AI revolution and start dominating billion-dollar social media industry in no time. Introducing
AI Socibot. AI Socibot
is the world's first ChatGPT-4-driven app that automates social media accounts by creating and posting trending viral content such as videos, images, reels, and much more with Siri-like voice commands in less than 60 seconds, and drives tens of thousands of targeted views and traffic with a massive following on complete autopilot. Now with
AI Socibot,
you can grow your social media followers and promote any product you want. Start your own social media agency and charge customers anything you like. Design and sell jaw-dropping AI visuals, art, and images for maximum profit. Craft and sell high-converting social media marketing materials at any price you want.
AI Socibot
Is the new game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Create. Give Siri-like voice commands to create high-engaging social media content such as videos, images, reels, or anything that you want. Step 2. Post. Automate or schedule your trending social media posts in just one click. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by driving tens of thousands of targeted views and traffic with massive following on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you automate social media accounts by creating and posting AI-generated trending viral content, images, video reels, and so much more in less than 60 seconds with Siri-like voice commands? There isn't. So what are you waiting for?
AI Socibot
Is the new 2023 AI revolution that's skyrocketing the social media industry like never before. Finally, end your search with this revolutionary ChatGPT-4 OpenAI app that has everything you need to take your social media game to the next level. And wait, I'm going to sweeten the deal even more. Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access
AI Socibot
just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now and get a copy
AI Socibot
at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area. Again, you can put in kind of content that you want created in here, AI images, short videos, AI graphic editor, all inside the backend area here. There are multiple upgrades. First one here, it looks like you can do live streaming, unlock Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and other live streams, watermarks on your social media, cloud imports, all these extra features here with this one. Again, move your mouse away. I make less as an affiliate by showing you these discounts, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is the unlimited max account. This removes all limits, automate social media accounts, unlock unlimited high engaging AI graphics, art, and images, and all these extra features. Make sure you move your mouse away to get that discount. The next one here is, it says put it on automation. So this is like an automated version. Move your mouse away to get a discount. We've got another one here is a done for you version. Move your mouse away to get a discount. Another one here, which is you can create limitless accounts for your clients and actually sell this to people. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then you can actually resell the software. You get access to all the sales materials and everything without any extra charge. Move your mouse away and get a discount on this one. And the last one's the white label license, where you can actually white label and put your own logo on it. They're going to host we host your software on your server for you. No, we'll do all the hard work for you. So they set up everything for you. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI Socibot and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, again, like fake testimonials, screenshots that I don't believe have anything to do with this, unnecessary. Don't buy this based upon those that proof. What do I like about it? If you're looking for a software that will create like trending viral content, videos, images, reels, all these different things and more, if that's what you're looking for, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI Socibot review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.